Advisors, management, staff, or ownership of WCTC. Speak up and be heard on Jersey issues that matter most to you. Call Jersey Central with Bert Barron now at 732-545-9282 or toll free at 888-545-9282. Your state, your home, your voice. Jersey Central with Bert Barron.
I am the eyes and ears of this institution, my friends.
On the new Talk Radio 1450 WCTC.
808, hour number 3 of Jersey Central on the new Talk Radio WCTC, the voice of Central Jersey. It is Bert Barron. Many, many thanks once again to former Irvington Mayor Wayne Smith dropping by today. What a personality. You could barely contain it in this room here, but it was great to have him as our guest. Pictures are up on the Facebook fan page, and we'll get that podcast uploaded for you later today. We talked about some pretty interesting things on the Jersey political scene, and I'm sure we'll talk to him again, but the podcast is coming up real soon. Contest on the way for you this hour, your chance to win some Somerset Patriots baseball tickets, so we'll tell you how you can win that in just a bit. But let me welcome in my next special guest. We're here to talk about a brand new New Jersey-based startup. It is a website, and it is geared towards the running community in New Jersey. The motto of the website, everything running, everything Jersey, and that kind of tells you everything you need to know. The website is called runjersey.com, and let's meet the CEO, Charlie Hoffman, who joins us this morning on Jersey Central. Hey, Charlie, it's Bert Barron. Welcome to the show. How are you?
Hey, Bert, I'm a big fan. Thanks a lot for having me.
Thank you. Wow, and thank you for the nice mention on the website there this morning. I really appreciate that, spreading the word. But talk about runjersey.com, and what's the idea behind putting together this website?
Sure. We like to think of it as a celebration of the greatest place in the world and the greatest sport in the world. How it came to fruition was I'd been a recreation director in the past, and I always taught a class called Couch Potato to 5K. You know, the class took folks from the couch, maybe they hadn't exercised in a few years, and sort of developed them into a 5K. You know, they'd all completed, and, we kept it real fun. So I had this network of folks that had taken the class in the past, and they said, why don't you do something on a bigger level? So that kind of just leapfrogged into runjersey.com. I grabbed the two smartest kids I knew, who were Pat and Corey. We threw a business model together, and it's been absolutely tremendous here in the first few weeks. So, yeah, we're really excited about it.
Awesome. I mean, this radio station, we're at 5K runs that happen all up and down New Jersey. And it seems like, I talked to a lot of the runners. There was never that one go-to site. There was never that one website where you could go to where it was a resource for everything, whether it was runs that are coming up, being able to purchase merchandise, just sort of interacting with one another. And it sounds like this website kind of addresses that issue and solves that concern.
Yeah, fair point. And we really like to embrace the recreational runner out there. Like when we cover a race, to us it's more important to maybe cover someone who runs it with a physical limitation, or there's a mother-daughter combination that was 80 and 60 that we met. Things like that are just attractive, very slice-of-life kind of things that folks really seem to enjoy. So we're sort of embracing that. You see on the site there's great places to run in the state. As you mentioned, there's some great gear. We're just really excited about it. We also have some nuts and bolts sections. We got some great riders on board. And like I said before, the early going's really been tremendous here.
Excellent. Charlie Hoffman's our guest. He's the CEO of runjersey.com, a brand new Jersey-based startup. Everything running, everything Jersey. And it's just a comprehensive website where it's for all things that have to do with running here in Jersey. Also talk about, if you could, Charlie, a clothing line and some merchandise that's available on the website.
Yeah, it's kind of funny, Bert. I'm probably the least fashionable person walking through the Garden State right now, yet I'm kind of responsible for a clothing line. One thing runners take a lot of passion in is their gear. We talked to Runners High, which is a great store in Metuchen and Freehold, and they were saying they gave us a lot of tips on different types of gear. So we launched our sweatshirts. We have performance tees right now, which we tested out about 20 of them before we ended up with the model that we chose. It has the Run Jersey logo, which people seem to enjoy. Gives you a chance to kind of show your Run Jersey pride. And taken to it well. We see it more and more at races, and they're available on the site as well. We're doing a lot more and more contests, photo contests, sign contests, story contests. So we always try to, give out shirts for those sort of things as well.
Yes, if you want to check out the website, runjersey.com, we do have a link on our Facebook fan page that will take you right there. And you can even check out the official Run Jersey mascot. Hey, every startup needs a mascot, right, Charlie? Talk about the mascot you guys put together there.
Yeah, the mascot was actually kind of funny how it came to fruition. We, having worked in youth athletics, we always thought it'd be fun to have a mascot to kind of promote the great sport of running to the kids of New Jersey. So our first time we unveiled him was at the the Spring Lake 5. And what happened was adults actually went a whole lot more nuts for our friend Jogsy than the kids did. People actually stopped in the middle of the race and took pictures with them and things like that. So what we've done in subsequent races is we automatically take pictures of Jogsy, and folks just come by and slap his hands, and you can get him on our website for free. Great way to sort of, take a little piece of the race home with you. And again, we'll kind of continue to have him at some upcoming races, and definitely going to be a huge thing as we start marketing to children and promoting the sport to younger folks as well.
Yeah, very cool. Talk about running here in Jersey, Charlie. Where are some really good areas for run? Maybe it's a 5K, or someone just likes to do it. You want to get out and go for a run. I'm thinking about the boardwalks. Our shore towns are great for doing some runs. But talk about some of your favorite places to run in Jersey.
Yeah, great point. I feel like we're trying to get a list together of really all-encompassing the state of great places to run, but you hit the nail on the head. I absolutely love the boardwalks. I feel like each town has a little bit of personality. There's a book called The Boardwalk Guides, which is worth reading as well. Kind of talks about the difference in each boardwalk town. I absolutely love the Sourlands out in Hillsborough if you want a little more of a trail run. People also think it's haunted, which gives it a little lure there. We just did a piece on the 70-mile stretch kind of in your backyard, which is the DNR Canal. Mm-hmm. Great little spot. You kind of feel like you're away from the city life when you're on that as well. And we have a ton of more coming up. We're going to do Washington Valley Park. There's Sunrise Mountain, more stuff by the Delaware Water Gap, and that list will continue to grow. But also invite our readers to sort of, if there's a little niche spot that they love and they want to share with the world, definitely send it our way, and we're happy to come out and cover it.
Yep, the website again is runjersey.com, and you can go there. There's merchandise. It's a database of basically everything you need to know about the running here in Jersey, whether you're a serious runner that takes part in a lot of the 5K races or whatnot, or maybe you just do it to kind of stay in shape, and there's nothing wrong with that either. You can visit this website for all the information. It's a great brand new New Jersey-based business called runjersey.com, and it's really the site to go to. So I guess, Charlie, we'll keep an eye out for Jogsy the mascot, and look for runjersey.com at some upcoming events, right?
Thanks a lot, Bert. And definitely one thing to remember is that
Sure.
running is one of those things you don't have to be any good at to enjoy. So we certainly appreciate the time here, and definitely want people to check out the site, like us on Facebook, send us, we'll send you some merch, all that kind of stuff. So thanks very much.
Very good. Charlie, good to talk to you, and continued success, and good luck with runjersey.com, all right?
Appreciate it, Bert. Take care.
You too. Thanks a lot. Again, that website, runjersey.com, and we do have a link on our Facebook fan page. And a nice little comment there on WCTC. So many thanks to CEO Charlie Hoffman for joining us here this morning on Jersey Central.